5. Learning disability in language, aphasia. Aphasia. What is meant by aphasia? Can you define aphasia? What are the causes of aphasia? What are the types of aphasia? What are the strategies to overcome? What are the signs and symptoms? Can you list specific treatment techniques for aphasia? Going to learn. Meaning of aphasia. It is the disturbance in the ability to speak and understand language, both verbal and written. Aphasia is not a disease, but a symptom of brain damage. It marks learning infirmity. Definition: loss or impairment of the power to use or comprehend words, usually resulting from brain damage, as from a stroke, head injury, or infection, etc. Causes of aphasia. Stroke, ischemic, caused by a blockage that distributes blood flow to region of brain. Traumatic brain injury, brain tumors, brain surgery, brain infections. Progressive neurological diseases, example dementia. Types of aphasia. There are three main types. First, fluent aphasia, also known as Wernicke aphasia. In this type of aphasia, the person can speak normally and use long, complex sentences, but the actual words they use make no recognizable sense. They include nonsense words in their speech. Second type, non-fluent aphasia, also known as brachioaphasia. This type of aphasia, the person has great difficulty in speaking and can only manage to string a number of words together in short, tentative sentences, though the meaning of their speech is usually understandable. Third, global aphasia. This is the most severe form of aphasia in which people have profound difficulties with expressing and understanding both written and spoken language. Look at this brain regions. Regions of the left hemisphere that can give rise to aphasia when damaged. Signs and symptoms. Has difficulty gaining meaning from spoken language, demonstrates poor written output, exhibits poor reading comprehension, shows difficulty expressing thought in verbal form, has difficulty labeling objects or recognizing, is often frustrated by having a lot to say and know where to say it, feeling that words are right on the tip of my tongue. Can describe an object and draw it, but cannot think of the word for it. May be depressed, having feeling of sadness, has difficulty getting. Strategies to use visualization techniques to enhance listening and comprehension. Use of graphic organizers for note taking from lectures or books. Use story samples for creative writing assignments. Practice story mapping. Specific treatment. Copy and recall therapy, CART. Visual communication therapy, VIC. Visual action therapy, VAT. Fundamental communication treatment, FCT, focuses social interaction and self-expression, etc. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.